When precision matters and mistakes cost money, the tool you choose can make or break your workflow. The DeWalt DW089LG isn't marketed as a casual DIY laser. It's positioned as a serious contractor-grade layout solution. But the real question is, does it actually deliver professional performance, or are you just paying for the brand? If you're framing walls, installing cabinets, laying out conduit, or setting drop ceilings, accuracy isn't optional. One misalignment can cost hours of rework. Today, we're breaking down the DeWalt DW089LG in detail: performance, visibility, durability, battery life, and real-world job site value. By the end of this review, you'll know whether this laser belongs in your truck or on the store shelf. Let's get started. Welcome to AI buildPro Insight, where we test professional construction tools the way contractors actually use them. No hype, no marketing fluff, just real-world breakdowns designed to help you make smarter buying decisions. If you're serious about power tools, laser levels, and job site efficiency, make sure to subscribe right now and turn on notifications. We release detailed, contractor-focused reviews every single week. Now let's talk about what makes the DW089LG different from entry-level laser levels. What is the DW089LG? The DeWalt DW089LG is a 12-volt max 3-beam 360-degree green laser level built for full room coverage. Unlike basic crossline lasers that only project forward, this unit provides one full 360-degree horizontal line, two full 360-degree vertical lines. That means complete alignment coverage without constant repositioning. For commercial layout work, that's a major time saver. This isn't a homeowner gadget, this is a productivity tool. Green beam technology. Let's talk about visibility. Green laser technology is significantly brighter than traditional red beams. In indoor environments, green lasers can appear up to 4 times more visible. In well-lit job site conditions, especially near windows, visibility matters. The DW089LG produces crisp, sharp lines that remain clear across the room. For contractors working long hours, reduced eye strain is a real benefit. Brightness isn't just a luxury, it's efficiency. Accuracy and precision. DeWalt rates this model at plus or minus 1/8 of an inch at 30 feet. That level of accuracy is more than sufficient for cabinet installation, interior framing, tile alignment, electrical layout. The self-leveling mechanism activates quickly and stabilizes efficiently. If the unit is placed outside its leveling range, the beam flashes, preventing costly layout errors. That safeguard alone can save time and materials. 360-degree advantage. Traditional crossline lasers require constant repositioning. The DW089LG eliminates that. With full 360-degree horizontal coverage, you can align multiple walls simultaneously. For drop ceilings and large commercial interiors, this dramatically improves workflow speed. Time saved equals money earned. The DW089LG runs on DeWalt's 12V Max battery system. If you already use DeWalt cordless tools, this is a major advantage. You can swap batteries quickly and stay productive. Battery life is impressive and designed for extended use. For contractors working full days, this is a reliable system. Build quality. This laser is built with thick rubber overmolding and strong internal components designed to handle tough environments. It feels durable. It feels stable. This is not a fragile homeowner gadget. It's clearly built for daily professional transport and handling. Indoor versus outdoor performance. Indoors, performance is excellent. Outdoors, like most line lasers, visibility depends on lighting conditions. However, when paired with a compatible laser detector, range increases significantly. For exterior layout work, using a detector is recommended. Mounting and setup. The DW089LG includes multiple mounting options. Tripod compatibility. Magnetic bracket capability. Flexible positioning is critical on active job sites. Setup is straightforward and efficient. Application: cabinets. For cabinet installation, alignment precision is critical. The 360-degree horizontal beam ensures level consistency across an entire wall. This minimizes adjustment time and increases finishing accuracy. Application: electrical. For electricians, vertical beam alignment simplifies conduit layout. Accurate vertical references improve installation speed. Less guesswork, more precision. Application: drop ceilings. Drop ceiling installation benefits enormously from 360-degree horizontal coverage. Instead of measuring multiple times, the beam provides continuous alignment reference. This saves measurable labor hours. Weight and portability. While slightly heavier than compact DIY lasers, that weight reflects durability. It balances well on tripods. Portability remains practical for daily contract. Price consideration. This is not a budget laser. It sits firmly in the professional price tier. However, for contractors billing by the hour, increased efficiency justifies the investment. Pros summary: bright green beams, true 360-degree coverage, durable housing, battery compatibility, reliable accuracy. These are professional-level strengths. Cons summary: higher upfront cost, slightly heavier, may be excessive for casual DIY users. This tool is designed for professionals. Who should buy it? If you're a contractor, remodeler, electrician, or commercial installer, the DW089LG makes sense. If you're hanging a few shelves per year, it's likely overkill. Match the tool to your workload. Final verdict plus strong CTA. So, is the DeWalt DW089LG worth it? For serious professionals who value accuracy, workflow efficiency, and durability, absolutely. It reduces repositioning, improves alignment precision, and delivers job site-ready reliability. If this breakdown helped you make a smarter decision, subscribe to AI buildPro Insight right now. We test tools the way real contractors use them. Hit subscribe, turn on notifications, and stay ahead with the best professional tools of 2026. We'll see you in the next review.